Hey guys, in this video we will cover another 3 simple Excel functions for the MO-200 exam, and namely the upper, lower and LEN functions. Before we start, I encourage you to subscribe so that you don't miss out on any new training content, and now let's begin. Let's begin with the upper function, which turns a specific text into uppercase. So equals upper, choose the text source and enter. You can see that the normal Excel word has been converted into the uppercase version. Now let's do that same with the lower function, which turns it into lowercase. So equals lower text source and enter. Now this word has been turned into lowercase, and the len function is used to calculate the number of characters of certain text. That includes also spaces. So let's use len text source. As you can see, it says 5. And if I write here space m, it should return 7, as you can see. Yeah guys, so thanks for watching. I hope you find it useful and easy. If so, smash that like button and we'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye.